Hello guys, welcome back to today's Taobao haul, which is the part 2 of my 11.11 Taobao unboxing haul. So I finally received all my items. I thought I bought more stuff, but apparently not. Like looking at the amount of stuff that I have on my floor, it's a little underwhelming, I would say, because I definitely thought that I bought more stuff. So let's get started on today's first item. So as usual, I'll be starting with like the smaller item first, you know the drill on my channel. So the first item that I bought as usual are accessories. So I bought 2 pairs of earrings, and this is the first pair over here, which is a very simple matte gold loop earring. As usual, I'll be including like photo over here so that you guys can see how it looks when you wear it or how the model wears it. So the first pair is just like really simple. I'm really into loop earrings. The next item is also like very simple earring over here. So actually this is for like my helix piercing, and if you have been watching my video for quite some time, you will know that for all the videos, these are like the earrings that I wear, which are like just simple stainless steel stud earrings. There was this day that I saw this and the model on the photo was actually wearing this on a helix, and I think it's really nice, and it just looks different from what I usually wear, which is why I decided to buy it and can't wait to wear it. Okay, moving on to the next item. I bought some nail polish. So these are the 3 shades that I bought. Let's open them up. This is my first time buying nail polish on Taobao. I just saw it on sale and I was thinking, why not? Okay, so the first shade that I bought is this mellow shade. It is not very yellow, I'll call it like mellow. And this is from the brand 2 Moons, which is a brand that I've never heard of before. So this is the first shade that I bought. Pretty nice. And I'm very glad that there's no color difference. It's exactly like what I've imagined it to be. Okay, the second shade over here is this coral blue. Is it coral blue? Okay, I think it is. So these are the 2 shades. Okay, one last one is, I think it's a green. So usually I don't go for like green color polish if you know me very well. So since I'm just randomly picking up like nail polish, I just decided to buy this green because this green looks really nice, and even though my fingers are a bit tan, I hope this color will look nice on my fingers. So yeah, these are the 3 shades that I bought, which are absolutely beautiful. Okay, and I have 2 more nail polish. So these are the 2, which are also from the same brand, but these 2 are from a different range of product compared to the just now, the 3 that I showed you. So the first one is this coral pink. I like the word coral, so just add coral into whatever that I'm going to describe today. So this is the first shade that I bought, and the second one is actually a shimmer shade. So I'm supposed to like wear them together. It looks like this, and I will definitely pair them up when I do my own manicure at home, so they look so nice together. The color complement each other so well. Okay, so really love these 2 as well. I would say my first nail polish purchase from Taobao is very successful because I'm very satisfied with all these colors. Moving on to the next item, which is dang 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 dang. Okay, these are not mine, don't worry. So I bought some underwear for Sean because his underwear is ridiculous. He doesn't only just have like 1 hole on his underwear, not 2, not 3, not 4, I think 5. Okay, this is so hilarious. Okay, so because of how damaged his underwear is, I decided to buy some for him on Taobao. So these are the ones that I bought, and I hope they are his size. Anyway, it looks really comfortable because it's like 100% cotton, and this brand in China, which is called Nanjiren, has been around for many years. So if you're looking for some like cotton underwear or even pajamas like those that I mentioned in my previous haul, you should totally check out this brand. It's amazing. So this is how the underwear looks. Oh my god, this is so funny. Okay, it feels pretty comfortable. So if you're planning to buy underwear for your boyfriend, You can definitely check out this box of underwear. I will link it in the description box below. Okay, let's move on. This is so embarrassing. Let me just fold it nicely so that it looks as good as new. He has not seen this yet, I think. But I've yet to show him because I've been so busy like these few days. So yeah, that's the underwear that I bought for Sean. So moving on to the next item, which is also another very weird item that I bought, is this. Okay, so this is called 假发片, which translates to a small piece of wig, I guess. This is perfect for people who have like thinning hair, or if you just don't have a lot of hair to begin with. So sometimes if I were to do like center parting, or if I do like different hairstyle, I feel that if my hair is too flat, there's nothing else that I can do, but this will save your life. I don't know if I can demo it on the camera. Okay, so there are clips at the back and you're just going to clip this underneath your hair like this. Okay, I haven't clipped it yet, so you won't be able to see the effect. I'm just holding it with my hand. So it instantly boosts like your hair volume, like in 1 second. It's much less flat compared to just now, which is amazing. So I actually bought this for my mom because she doesn't have as much hair as she used to have. Does that make sense? Okay, so I bought this for her, and of course this comes in two, so like this. Yeah, okay, so I will pass this to her when I finish recording my video. And the one that I got is actually natural brown color, or is it natural brown black? Okay, it's in natural brown black color. Yeah, and moving on to the next item, which are these two exercise bands that I bought. Previously, I already have one at home, which is the exercise loop. Okay, how should I open this? Okay, so this is the exercise loop that I bought. The previous one that I have at home actually broke.
Probably I'm too strong.
So this is 15 pounds in terms of like the resistance, and I love implementing this into my workout, especially my home workout. On this, when I don't go to gym, I will be doing like home workout, not very frequently, but you know, I will definitely try to implement this into my workout because I feel that there are more resistance if I add this in my workout, and I think it's amazing that you just need one of this and you can do so many different types of workout. So I totally recommend this to anyone who does like home workout. And you can not only use this on your thigh or on your legs, you can also use this on your arms, like you just stretch like this so you can train your biceps. So this is the resistance loop that I bought. Okay, moving on to the next item, which is this yoga mat. I will not be opening this yoga mat right now. I will probably like open it later, but I will still include a video or a photo of how the quality of the yoga mat is in this video as well. Judging from the side, I think it's pretty good. Like it feels very comfortable, I would say. Actually, I have one at home, but Sean uses that, and I don't really want to share the same mat with him. 嫌弃的脸。So I don't really want to share the mat with him because he usually sweats a lot when he does like HIIT workouts at home. So I decided to buy one for myself so that we don't have to share anymore. And also sometimes we will do like those workouts together, so it doesn't really make sense for us to use the same yoga mat at the same time. So I decided to buy one new one for myself, and the one that I have at home is really like what, 2 or 3 years old. So yeah, I decided that it's time for me to get a brand new one for myself, and since it's 11.11, I just went ahead to buy this. So this feels like really comfortable. Moving on to the next item, which is my coffee cup. I got myself an espresso machine, which is still on the way to my house. So I was thinking, with a new coffee machine, I deserve a new coffee cup. So I decided to buy this for myself. Why is it so difficult to open? Wow, so sleek. Okay, so this is the coffee cup, which looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, and there's this plate at the bottom for you to put your cup as well. So let me just quickly open this. I should be more gentle with this in case I break it.
2,000 years later.
This is the plate and this is how the whole set looks like. Totally gorgeous. Oh my god, look at the aesthetic of this. So beautiful. Oh my god. Do you guys like this? Okay, so the seller actually has like two different variations for you to choose. The one that I chose is the one with the gold frame or the gold decoration at the sides. So I think this really makes the whole cup and the plate look so much more high class, I would say. I really like this. I can't wait to use it and it's so nice. Just like place it at one corner. It is so aesthetically pleasing. Okay, can't stop looking at it. Yeah, so this will be my new coffee cup. Love it, so nice. Imagine me drinking coffee on a Sunday morning. Okay, anyway, let's move on to the last item. So like I mentioned just now, right, I thought I bought more stuff. Actually, I have another item that I bought together with this haul. I mean, it arrived together with this parcel, but that is actually a curtain for my living room, and my mom has already like kept it into the storeroom. So I don't think I'll be showing you guys unless you guys are really interested. You can let me know in the comments down below. So other than that, I don't think I'll be showing in this video. So let's move on to the last item of the haul. That completes my 11.11 haul, which is once a year. So the next time you will see this kind of haul will be 2021's 11.11. Wow, who knows what happens by then. Okay, anyway, the next item that I bought is actually a sports bra. And what is so special about this sports bra is that there's a zip in front. Oh my god, how amazing is that? So you know, whenever I go to gym and I will sweat a lot and my body just gets like so sweaty, so wet and so... Okay, let's not go there. I just want to emphasize that it is very difficult for me to remove my sports bra after exercise before I go to the shower. So this is an amazing like innovation for sports bra. You don't have to struggle like taking off your sports bra anymore because you can just unzip it like this. Wow!
Oh my god! Wow!
How amazing is this? Wow! The person who creates this, the person who created this deserves an award. So when you want to wear it, you don't have to like go through your top body and put it on. You can just like wear it and you zip it up. Oh, this is fantastic. This will motivate me to go to gym probably once or twice more in a month. So this is how it looks in front with the zip. And I would say that the zip is not very obvious if you don't like stare at this area. The back of the sports bra looks like this, which is just very normal, but this is actually a net, so it's much more like breathable compared to like normal sports bra, and it's very thin and very airy, so it's perfect especially for people who sweat a lot or especially for people who do like cardio in the gym. Amazing. This is definitely the best buy of my 11.11 haul. Okay, maybe it's too quick to draw a conclusion. But I really like this. It's so amazing. Okay, I'll definitely wear this the next time I go to gym, which will be tomorrow. So today is Friday and I'll try to get this video up by Sunday, hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, so I guess that concludes this video. I really didn't expect today's Taobao haul to be so short because honestly, I thought I bought more stuff than this, but turns out, probably I didn't spend that much money after all. Okay, but I'm very proud of myself because I managed to control my urge to buy a lot of things that I don't need but I want. That concludes this year's Taobao haul, and this year's 11.11 Taobao haul. And remember to follow my channel for more such haul videos. And the next Taobao haul that I will do is probably the 12.12 Taobao haul. Or if I happen to buy any more stuff from Taobao, I will also be sharing with you guys. So I guess that concludes this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and just remember to subscribe and like this video. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!